Again, I wholeheartedly welcome you for this online English classes. Today, let us discuss about email letters, the syllabus which is prescribed for 4th semester BCom course. What is an email? As all of you know, email means it is an electronic mail. It is used globally. Besides being fast, it can carry pictures, videos, and audio material, publish both text and hypertext in cyberspace, and be stored on the web. Emails are easily accessible anytime and anywhere in the world. Technically speaking, email is a method of communication whereby an individual or a company uses a computer or some other electronic devices like a cell phone to compose and send a message to another individual or a group of individuals. Writing an email, unlike a letter which is written on paper, put into an envelope and then sent through a post office or a courier. But an email is sent through a mail server electronically, read on the computer screen, and is generally replied to immediately by clicking the reply button. Email is fast, flexible, and reliable, though not always secure. Almost all the companies globally are using emails to make correspondences to its employees or to any other companies. Now, let us know how to write an email and what is the format of composing email. So through the workbook, let us discuss about how to write an email. Now, let us learn how to write email letters. So here there are two email letters. The first one is incorrect email letter and the second one is correct email letter. See why it is incorrect. Why? Because see, nowadays we are using more and more our cell phones, mobile phones. See, in our cell phones we are using UR. For writing YOUR, we are using UR. For good, GOOD instead of good, we are mentioning GD. But in email letters, why? Because it is it becomes an official letter. We are not supposed to use UR or GD. So this is the second one is correct email letter. So how to begin correct email letter? So all the steps should begin from left margin. Keep it in mind. Begin with from email ID, then date, then to email ID, then CC carbon copy, then subject, then salutation or hello, then body of the email letter, turn over the page, then concluding statement. I hope you will be able to make it. This is concluding statement, then thanking you or see you again, then his name. So let us move forward with other email letters. So the first one is incorrect email letter and the second one is correct email letter. Begin with from address, then date, then to email ID, then CC, then subject, then salutation, then body of the email letter, then thanks, name and designation. So let us move forward with other model email letters. Again, keep it in mind. Begin every step with the left margin. Then begin the email letter with from email ID, then date, then to email ID, then CC, subject, then this is the to address, then salutation, dear sir, body of the email letter, then from address. So this is the way, this is the method to write email letters. So in your workbook there are exercises. There are 5 exercises you practice in your homes and get ready for the examinations. Stay home, stay safe, Get ready for the examinations. All the best. You can like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you one and all.